Good morning, students. In today's video lecture, we will explain chapter number first, second book, Footprint Without Feet, and the name of the chapter is A Triumph of Surgery. In the story, there are basically three characters. One is a dog, Tricky. Another one is the dog's mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, and third one is the doctor, Mr. Harriet. So, in this story, Tricky was a little dog. His mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, was a rich lady. She overfed the dog. Overfed means overfeed him. The dog was pampered one, so this overfed caused to him. The dog became very fat and fall ill. So how the doctor treats him, let's find out. The story is written in first person. That is why the writer and the doctor in this story says I for himself. Mean doctor is also a character in the story. So it's written in first person. I was really worried about Tricky this time. Means doctor was a regular family doctor of the lady. That's why he says this time. Means he regularly, frequently observes the dog. So he pulled up, means stopped his car and saw the dog. The dog was not in very good condition. What was the condition of dog? He was hugely fat, like a blotted sausage, means like a red meat, fleshy his legs were, and he was bloodshot, means his eyes were red. Rheumy means there was some liquid was coming out from his eyes, and he keeps staring at one side. He was not able to move his tongue. His tongue was lolled, means his tongue was hung out from his mouth. So Mrs. Pumphrey, when the doctor asked about the lady, Mrs. Pumphrey was in a very quick to explain everything to doctor, as if the doctor would say all the solution for it. So the lady said, he was so listless, means lazy, no movement, Mr. Harriet, and he seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from some malnutrition. The lady thought that he must be suffering from some malnutrition, and the lady doubled his dose. The lady increased his dose. So again, the condition became worst. I thought, okay, so the lady started giving him some extra meal, extra between meals, and to build up him up. What was given? Cod liver oil, bowl of Horlicks, and all this. And finally, even after all this, the lady says nothing much really. This is a very humorous line, that even after giving meal after meal, extra meal, and malt means grain, the lady says nothing was much really given to dog. And did you cut down the sweet things as I told you? The doctor asked the lady. The lady said the lady could not stop giving him any sweet thing. She kept on giving him sweet things, and what was her answer? That, oh, as he loved ice cream, cake, chocolate, so the lady could not refuse him. What happened finally? Tricky's fault was greed, and the lady's trouble was that she could not stop giving him any meal. And the dog was pretty sure that the lady must have not mentioned many things apart from this diet. Many things the lady must have not mentioned. She must have hidden many things. So what did doctor ask? Are you giving him much of exercise? But the lady must have not given her. The dog must have exercised. So the lady said, there is one excuse with the lady not to exercise him. What was the excuse? That her gardener, Hodgin, he was not well, sick with lumbago. Lumbago means lower back pain, and so he could not come to make him exercise or ring throwing exercise lately. So that is why the lady did not make him any exercise. did not give him much water but gave him all food supplements, and it made the situation worst. So this time the doctor became little harsh and firmly said to the lady that I really mean this. If this time you are not going to cut his exercise, and definitely it will make the dog ill. So you must harden your heart, means the lady must harden her heart and be very strict on diet. Mrs. Pumphrey twisted her hands and said, "Oh, Mr. Harriet, I'm sure you are right, but it was very difficult for the lady to be away from her dog and to put him on strict diet." So this is actually her drawback, that she could not be firm with him. Now, the doctor says that the dog, he watched his progress, that was tottering along. Tottering along means that the dog was tottering, means little movement inside the tweed coat, means cotton coat. And with the dog had a complete wardrobe of coats, his winter coat, his rainy coat, wet days coat, many more things. Means the dog was surrounded with affluence. Everything rich was there. Means there is no shortage in he don't had to struggle for anything. So the expected call came within a few days, means the doctor was expecting a call. Definitely, if the lady would continue this meal, no exercise, dog will definitely fall ill and he would get a call for the treatment of the dog. And it happened same. The call came and Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Distraught means it the lady was upset, and she said that the dog had refused even eating this time now his favorite dishes, and the dog had bouts of vomiting, means vomiting sensation again and again, and he even didn't take his favorite dishes, sweets, and he makes no movement, and he was gasping. Gasping means he was having very heavy breath. He was having difficulty even in taking breath. So that was the problem that the dog was suffering. So the doctor suggested that the dog is to be hospitalized now without any delay in observation of the doctor. But was the lady ready for it? No, the lady could not. Lady was almost swooned with this idea. Swooned means almost fainted with the idea to leave the dog with the doctor. But it was very necessary for the dog's sake that he should be given to doctor. He should be sent for hospital for strict observation. But I took a firm line, means he drew a firm line. Tricky was very ill, and without any delay, it was only best for him that he should be left at hospital. And it's again a very humorous line. When the animal was left, departed to for set for the hospital, the writer says that it was followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings. Mrs. Pumphrey was weeping like anything, and he marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in. Again, in this time also he is wrapped in a blanket. This much of care actually spoils the child as well. The entire staff, what was that entire staff? The helping hand of that rich lady, it was also roused, means they rose up to their positions for helping the leaving the dog, leaving his stuff, the maids, as well as for bringing his day bed, night bed, favorite cushions, toys, rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl. What are all these things? These all the belongings are of the dog. So the dog was surrounded with all these affluents. This is the only problem. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, with a despairing cry, despairing means very disappointed cry. Very disappointed mood, the lady started crying and threw an armful of the little coats. Again, armful of little coats means there are several, plenty of coats for the dog, that the dog should not be in any kind of trouble. She gave him all these things, and the narrator describes it as I realizing that my car would never hold all this stuff, cushions, ball, his pots, his coats, many more things. So, and everybody was in tears. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal. Pathetic means that poor little animal. The dog has been also called poor by the writer. The lady has also been called poor many places, but the lady is also not poor. She is rich lady, but in her condition, she says it poor. And little animal was gasping means having very heavy breath, not very easy to take breath for the animal. So this was the situation of him, and he patted the head of that dog Tricky and made a remark on him. What was the remark? You haven't a kick in you means you cannot move your kick even, but I have a remedy, a cure for you. With this remark, this ends, but the language of the writer is very humorous. Like he says here, the Tricky made a brave effort. What was the brave effort? He only started wagging his tail a little bit. So this step of him is called by him brave effort. So this way it's a very humorous, satiring way the writer has written this story. So the first part of the story ends. We'll continue the second part of the story in next video lecture. You all are requested to do these all comprehension questions and the assignment given to you today in your WhatsApp group. Thank you.